Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afreen. So today I'm here with the secret uh, tips for winter skincare routine, or you can say this video is especially for those who hates to wash their face in the winter because it's too cold. I know that it's really difficult to wash face in winter because it's really cold right now. But guys, in winter, our skin needs more attention because our skin gets dry in winter. Even if we are not taking care of our skin, so it becomes some problems like sometimes it getting some itching, sometimes it gets some redness, swelling. Even I got hives just because of dryness. Then I rushed to the doctor, to dermatologist. So I just don't want that it will happen with you guys. But I know that it's difficult to go to contact to the water in the winter season. So I'm here with some solution of this particular problem. And I know that after watching this video completely, you will get to know the exact solution of your problem. So just keep watching my video. So beautiful girls, I know that you don't want to take a special time for your skin treatment in the winter. So I'll tell you some points where you can take care of your skin without give a special time or special attention to your skin. Okay, so first thing is morning. So we all have to go to the washroom in the morning once we wake up in the morning. So just make this situation as your profit. So once you wake up and you will go to the washroom, then you have to treat your face that time. So you don't have to make a special time for your skin treatment. You have to make this morning time as your profit. So what you need to do is you have to wash your face with your face wash, or if you are doing any special treatment for your face, like you have to, if you are doing any face mask regularly for your face, then you have to do this early in the morning or once you wake up in the morning. Because I'm also planning to do this because now I'm really busy in my life, so I was not able to do my personal treatment for my skin, which is ground flower basin and turmeric and honey mixture mask. So I was not able to doing this, so I got this pamper right now. So right now I'm on planning to do this early in the morning once I wake up in the morning. So if you want, you also will follow this thing. And yeah, this is one thing, this is one point. And the second point, you have to moisturize your face. So in once you wake up and you wash your face, you treat your face, then after you have to moisturize your face. I know we all are rushed in the morning because we have to cook, we have lots of responsibility early in the morning, but it took only 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes to moisturize your face, lips, hands. So please, after wash your face, just moisturize your face and then start your daily daily routine like cooking and whatever. Then Third one is while taking a bath. Yes, so will take care of your skin that time, because after bath you have to moisturize all over your body. Yes, your full body you have to moisturize in winter, because in winter your skin get dry from all over, so you have to moisturize your body from all over. Yeah, I mean all the body you have to moisturize in winter, especially in winter. So after taking bath you have to moisturize your body completely, because my doctor suggests this thing, because I used to moisturize my foot, my legs, my hands, my face, my neck, that's it. But my doctor suggests me that you should have to moisturize your full body in winter especially, otherwise your body will get dry and it becomes some problem, like I already said. So you have to moisturize your body. Now next is night time. So again we all have to go to the washroom before going to the bed. Again we have to take this situation as for as our profit. So again we have to wash our face with face wash. And now in this in night time I use my Himalaya face wash. So I use my Himalaya face wash in the night, and then I'll treat my face with night cream, and I apply under eye cream, and I moisturize my hand, foots, and then I'll go to the bed. So that's, again you have to take this situation as your profit. is very important again. So this is you have to put SPF cream before going out anywhere. So I know this is winter, but it's important because sun doesn't know that it is a winter or it is a summer. So you have to put the SPF cream before going out. This is very important. So guys, if you're watching my video, still if you're watching this video, then you must be thinking that in the whole video I just said only one thing, that you have to moisturize your skin, you have to moisturize your skin, you have to moisturize your skin. So yes, there's only one key to overcome your dryness, which is moisturizer. So you have to moisturize your skin. Once again, I'll repeat my all the thing, that first is when you have to once you wake up in the morning, you have to wash your face and you have to moisturize your face, your legs, your feet, your lips. And again, when while you are taking your bath, after that you have to moisturize your full body. This is I highlighted that you have to moisturize your full body. And the third one is night time. You want at the night time you have to take care your skin. You have to wash your face with any face wash which you like, and then you have to moisturize your body, skin, then you have to moisturize your skin. So this is three key when you have to moisturize, and then you will get your glowing skin in this winter, and you will not feel dry at all. And the fourth one I told, that is you have to put SPF cream before going out, because if you do not put any SPF cream, then your skin became dull, rough, and it resultant it will be dry. So I think I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if this video will help you, then please share this video with your another friends. If you have any other questions, then you please comment me. I will love to answer all your questions. So yes, for this video that's it, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.